Hey everyone, Curt Davis here in Memphis, Tennessee. Hope everyone's having a great day today. I wanted to put this video together to talk about a way to help new investors get started. Now, a lot of people who want to become real estate investors don't know where to start, what to do. A lot of the big concern for them is how do I find property and how do I find buyers? And this strategy is coming from the standpoint of somebody who's looking to learn how to flip or wholesale or do assignment of contracts, that angle. I actually did a podcast not that long ago talking about driving for dollars and using Bandit signs to help both find buyers and find sellers. So I thought I'd put this video together today and kind of help somebody out. Driving for dollars is a technique. It's actually one of the first things I learned how to do when I moved to Memphis to learn how to do real estate investing. And it's basically you're driving neighborhoods and you're looking for the red and white for sale by owner signs. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to drive up and you're going to take a picture of the home with your phone, write down the phone number and write down the address. Then what you're going to do is you're going to do some research. Here in Memphis we have the Shelby County Tax Assessor site, which you go there and you punch in the address and you're going to learn some basic information about the house. You're going to see who it's in the name of. Does the owner actually reside at that address? It's going to tell you information, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, when was it built, things of that nature. So after you've done some homework on the property, the next question is how do you find out what the home is worth? If you're a realtor or if you have a realtor connection, you can search out comps that way. You can do some online. You can actually look in the daily news, see what other homes in the neighborhood are selling for. And when I said the daily news, that's referring to at least Memphis here. Whatever you got to do to get comps. I've found it best to use appraisers and realtors to get that information. So you're doing all this to determine whether you actually have a deal or not. I wrote an ebook on this very specific topic, and actually in the text that'll be next to this video on the YouTube page, I'll provide a link for where you can go and download the ebook as well as a call script, because a lot of people get nervous when it comes to talking to sellers. They don't know what to say. I didn't know what to say either, and it took a lot of time and just making the phone calls, talking to sellers to kind of come up with a script. So I'll provide that information for you. Like I said, driving for dollars, these people are usually motivated. You're looking for the house that looks like it hasn't been taken care of, needs a paint job, shingles are missing, phone books are stacking up, something that's kind of distressed. The for sale by owner, when you see that house and the yard's perfect and everything looks fantastic, it's less likely that they're going to be the motivated person you're looking for. So that's a very, very basic overview of what driving for dollars is, and that's a way for a new investor to go out and try to find property. The nice thing about them is they are not listed usually on the MLS, or they're not with a realtor, so you have less competition for them. And if you can actually put one of these properties under contract, you then obviously want to bring them to a buyer. Your probably best bet for bringing them to a quick cash buyer is to seek out the individuals in your market that are actually purchasing properties cash. Those are the ones you're looking for. In the Memphis market, I would be looking for other turnkey providers. I'd be looking in the daily news to see who has a history of buying homes cash. Those are the people that I would be looking for first. I'd actually even seek out to go and try and talk to them to find out what their criteria is, so in the event that I actually put a home under contract, I can bring it to them first. That's kind of an overview of driving for dollars. So driving for dollars is in a nutshell, you are going out looking for property to acquire so that you can sell it, put it under contract, and assign your contract to another buyer. Bandit signs. Now, bandit signs is a way to attract property as well. Now, some people may or may not know what a bandit sign is. I know that maybe sounds silly to some of you, but a bandit sign is really these types of signs you see here, and you may or may not have seen them, but we see them all over here in Memphis. They're on street corners, they're in gas station parking lots. We see them all over, and this is actually my nifty little bandit sign I put up. As you can see, it's a 18 by 24 24-inch sign. Got the little metal stake down here to stick in the ground. I ordered these from a website called supercheapsigns.com. I was able to get 100 of these front and back with the stakes for somewhere in the $350 range. When you put out Bandit signs, number one, you have to understand that most people in general don't like to see them. They're kind of ugly. People think they make their neighborhoods or the street corners, they just don't look good. But you also want to make sure that when you're putting them down, that you're not putting them in places that you're not supposed to. Like, for example, here in Memphis, in Germantown, you are not allowed to put down signs like that, and you could actually get fined if they catch you. So, but the thing about the Bandit signs is it's a great way to get people to call you. Some people are just looking to sell their home quick. They see the sign and they're going to give you a call. The thing about the Bandit signs, though, is you have to be consistent on a regular basis. You got to farm specific areas, keep the signs flowing, because there's going to be people that are going to steal your sign. You're going to have a homeowner come out, take your sign down, throw it in their garbage. You're going to find out that other people who are doing the exact same thing that you're doing, they're stealing your signs because you're a competition for them. So you have to stay active with Bandit signs. That's really the only way to make it successful. But again, like driving for dollars, you're getting a piece of the market that most other investors or turnkey providers, they're really not doing. So the pool of people that are doing this are limited, and it's a real advantage for you. I'm actually kind of shocked by that I don't see more of these signs. Even though I see them pretty regularly, I don't see as many as I would expect. And there are some people that I actually recognize. I know who their signs are. And the thing that you have to understand about Bandit signs is a company like ours, a turnkey model, some of the best properties that we've gotten over the last couple of years have come from individuals who are using Bandit signs. They're making on average $5,000 to $7,000 per deal, and it's a huge win for you. Like I said, you got to keep going at it. So I am going to post some links to the free ebook that you can get in the description. So that you can go and check it out. Like I said, download it. It's free. There's a call script in there for you to take advantage of. I might even actually put the link to my podcast where I talked about driving for dollars and Bandit signs. So I hope this short video has been a little helpful for you. Like I said, download the ebook. If you're looking for Bandit signs, supercheapsigns.com. It's about $350 for about 118 by 24 front and back. So hope you've enjoyed, and have a great day until we see you next time.